Hey guys, this is me Razia, and today I don't have any specific topic to teach you as I keep asking you in comment sections. I keep asking with you guys, please suggest me any topic in comment section so that I can make any video on the topic, but nobody has suggested yet, so I thought what should I do? Today I want to make video, but I don't have any specific topic or something, so I thought I will just do conversation with my son Rishan. His nickname is Tashu, so here he is.
Wait. Before asking anything about me or from you, saying anything to me, I want to ask something.
What do you want to ask?
Why did you bring me here?
You know well, I bring you here to do conversation with you.
Oh, interesting. Go on with the sentence.
Actually, I just called him because he never listened to me. I just called him. I just told him I just want to make a conversation video with you. But he was not interested in the starting. But anyhow, I make him agree. And now here he is. So let's start. Actually, his nickname is Tashu. I call him Tashu. Okay, so I'll call him Tashu only. So Tashu, please give your introduction to my viewers.
Okay, so if you want me to, then I will. My name is Rishan and I'm 10 years old, and nowadays I'm not going to my school because you guys know that there is a pandemic outside called COVID-19 and blah blah blah.
Next.
And nowadays I'm stuck at home doing nothing.
Doing nothing, he's playing games. Every time he's busy with his mobile only. That's why he never listened to me. And now I was just calling him to make a video with me. For that, he was also not agreed. I gave him many kinds of treats. Then only he agreed. He is really very, very naughty. So next, you tell me about your hobbies.
I like playing computer games, mobile games, Android games, all kind of games.
You can see everything is related to games only.
No, it's not. I also like watching YouTube.
Yeah, he watch YouTube videos, but that's also related to games only, nothing else.
I also watch TV.
TV, yeah, cartoons. Sometimes he watch TV.
And I usually play games when nobody is around because everybody scolds me when I play games, but I still play games because I love it.
Actually, I always tell him not to play games every time because he get up early in the morning only to play games, and his online classes are going on in the phone, in the mobile. And at the same time, he just switch off the video and he play games during the online classes also. That much crazy he is for games. So tell me your favorite games, which you play every day.
I like playing Free Fire, Ark, and Minecraft.
Actually, I don't know about these games, but maybe you guys must be knowing about these games. So you just explain about these games. What is in these games?
Okay. So Free Fire is a battle royale game. The last one man standing wins, and Minecraft is a simulation block-filled game.
Yeah.
And Ark is a very good game or dinosaur taming. We somehow end up on an abandoned island filled with dinosaurs. We tame them, we breed them, and stuff like that. And by the way, tomorrow is my science exam.
Oh yeah, tomorrow he is having exam. But by the way, you were not studying. You were just playing game. That's why I called you.
I don't like making conversation videos or videos like these. But I like making my YouTube videos about games.
Yeah, he wanna make his own channel about games, but now he is very small, so I don't allow him to make his own channel. So I'll ask you something related to your science exam, okay?
Okay.
So I'll ask you something random about the science, what I know. So tell me, how many bones do you have? Not you, every human being. How many bones are there in a human body?
Actually, there are more than 206 in a child, but when they grow up, some of their bones join together, and they become one bone, and after that, there are total of 206 bones in a human body.
Okay, then can you name few of your bones? Like name your hand bones.
Okay, so this one is this one is radius, yes, and this one is ulna, this one is humerus, this one is femur bone. Actually it is the largest bone in our human body,
Okay,
and this one is tibia, and this one is fibula.
okay, and tell me about the parts of brain.
Okay. Actually, there are only three parts that I know about, which are cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata.
Okay, then tell me something about the digestive system.
Okay. Okay, so now I will tell you about the process of digestion.
Okay,
First, we chew the food. It goes through a food pipe and then into a stomach. Okay. After that, the liver and the stomach together make digestive juices that mixes well and truly from the food,
okay,
and then they go through the small intestine, and all the nutrients are absorbed from the body, absorbed from the food for the body, and then
in the small intestine.
Yes.
The nutrients get absorbed in the small intestine. Okay.
Okay. Yes. And then it goes through our large intestine, where the excess water gets absorbed from the food into our body. After that, we excrete it out through our anus.
Okay, well, you explained very well about the digestive system.
Thank you.
And now tell me, what should I ask you? What have you do today?
I played games. I go outside, buy some fast food. I got home. I played games, and then I ate food. Then I played games. Ate food, played games, and made conversation video with you.
See guys, everything was related to games only. He just lived for games only. And what should I ask him? Okay, tell me, why don't you like to make conversation with videos with me? Because I want to make conversation with you so that my viewers can also learn something new. But why you don't want to make videos with me? What is the reason behind this?
Actually, I don't like speaking English much until it's very necessary. Like, there's a British in front of me, he doesn't know my language. So, I feel free to speak English with him because I can speak Hindi with him, my national language, and then I feel necessary to speak it. And that's why I speak English with him.
But nowadays, you know, English is very much compulsory, and Indians and everybody is using English. So why you think like only you will speak in English with Britishers or Americans or Canadians or Australians?
Listen. I will speak it when it is necessary, like very necessary, like very necessary.
But now you feel you never speak with me in English. I ask you to speak with me in English every time in home, but you never. So what is the reason? Why don't you listen to me?
Because I can speak to you in Hindi also.
Yeah, but you can say I want to improve my English too.
But I don't want to.
So see guys, he never want to speak in English with me, and he is not at all agree to make any kind of conversation videos. But if you really like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's my request to you all. Please do comment and write me if you want more such kind of videos, conversation videos with my son, so that I can force him by showing your comments. Like everyone is asking him to make a conversation video with me. So maybe he can agree that time. So let's see what will happen in the future.
Please join first, the viewers to do that.
Actually, I'm not forcing, I'm just asking you to give your suggestions so that I can make him force to make a conversation with videos with me so that I can improve myself and I can help you guys also. Okay guys, so see you guys in the next episode, maybe the conversation videos episode if he agrees and if you do comment. So please do comments and write how do you feel about this video. So till then, take care of yourself and happy learning. Keep watching and happy learning. Bye bye.
Bye bye.